Hello everyone, you're watching Midland Public Library's Maker Book Series. My name's Jennifer Whipp and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. I'll be coming to you every week with a collection of books and other resources to help you pick up a new maker hobby or skill. This week's maker skill is woodworking. Your library has a huge selection of woodworking resources with over 30 books and DVDs on woodworking and related topics. For absolute beginners, I want to start by recommending a few books. To begin, I want to recommend Woodworking, Techniques and Projects for the First-Time Woodworker by John Kelsey. I want to recommend this book for a couple of reasons. Let me explain. As someone whose only experience with carpentry has been building IKEA furniture and cardboard castles, this book made me feel like even I could tackle woodworking as a new hobby. It really is laid out for beginners, and the information has been pared down to be just the right amount, so it's not overwhelming, but you still get everything that you need. It has sections on how to select wood, it has sections on all of the different tools you'll need and the skills related to those tools, and it has over 20 simple beginner woodworking projects, such as building catapults, castles, cars, and even bookshelves. If you're someone who feels unintimidated by woodworking as a new skill and you're ready to jump in full force, I definitely have to recommend Collins' Complete Woodworker's Manual by Albert Jackson and David Day. This book is jam-packed with information on woodworking and has chapters on literally everything. It has chapters on wood and how to select your wood, chapters on designing in wood and what the design process looks like for a woodworker, sections on hand tools, power tools, and machine tools, how to set up your home workshop, joint making, bending wood. There's sections on veneering and wood carving, as well as finishing wood and fixings and fittings, and just so much more. The diagrams, images, and illustrations that are in this book are super helpful and well laid out. The book is incredibly organized, and you're gonna really know how to become a master woodworker after finishing this guy. I also want to give an honorable mention to The Practical Woodworker and The Complete Idiot's Guide to Woodworking. They include a lot of the same information as Collins' Complete Woodworker's Guide. They're just a little bit smaller books and not as new. If you're just starting out in woodworking, you may also appreciate our collection of books that feature various woodworking projects for beginners. We have Build Stuff with Wood, we have The Hand-Built Home, and the Weekend Woodworkers Project Collection. We also have books on how to identify and understand wood. Our woodworking collection really does seem endless. We have books on how to use different tools and learn specific skills like bending wood. We have books on building furniture. We have outdoor woodworking projects, and we have a huge stack of woodworking DVDs. To explore these resources further and to find other MPL woodworking books and DVDs, check out this week's virtual Maker Book Series display. You can find it at bit.ly/Maker Book Series. In the display, each book and resource is directly linked to our catalog, so you can place it on hold for curbside pickup. You're also going to find the links to other how-to resources and video tutorials, so you can learn everything you need to know about woodworking. Don't see the resource you're looking for? That's no problem. Send me an email to jwhip@midlandlibrary.com and I can recommend something. Thanks for watching this week's Maker Book Series video. I'll be back next week with a new collection of resources and books to help you explore a new maker hobby or skill. Happy woodworking, Midland! See you next time.